How to make easy money online. Introduction. Hey everyone! In today's digital world, making money online has become more accessible than ever. Let's dive into some dynamic and straightforward ways to earn money from the comfort of your home. Online surveys. First up, let's talk about online surveys. They're a super easy way to make some quick cash without any special skills or upfront investment. Just sign up for reputable survey sites, share your opinions on various topics, and start racking up those earnings. Selling photos. Love taking pictures? Selling photos online might be your thing. Platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock allow photographers of all levels to sell their images to customers worldwide. From breathtaking landscapes to inspiring portraits, every photo has the potential to earn you some passive income. Cryptocurrency trading. Cryptocurrency trading has taken the world by storm. While it can be risky, it's also an exciting way to make money online. With a bit of research and education, you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies to make short-term profits. Dropshipping. Ever dreamed of running your own business without dealing with inventory or shipping? Enter dropshipping. It's a business model where you sell products online without having to worry about stocking or shipping them yourself. With the right products and marketing strategy, dropshipping can be a lucrative source of passive income. Content marketing. If you're good at storytelling or sharing knowledge, content marketing might be your jam. Whether it's through a blog, YouTube channel, or social media, creating valuable content can attract a loyal audience. As your audience grows, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or digital product sales. Dividend investing. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is another way to earn passive income. By purchasing stocks of companies that regularly pay dividends and reinvesting those payments, you can build a steady stream of passive income over time. Building and selling websites. For those with web design and digital marketing skills, building and selling websites can be a profitable venture. By creating and optimizing profitable websites, you can sell them on specialized marketplaces for significant profits. Conclusion. In conclusion, making money online has never been easier. Whether you're taking online surveys, selling photos, or starting a dropshipping business, there's a way for everyone to earn money from the comfort of their own home. So why wait? Start exploring these opportunities today and turn your dreams of making money online into reality.